Welcome to Islam for World. Like and subscribe our channel to ensure you are not missing on our upcoming content.
What is an irrevocable divorce? Talaq in irrevocable divorce. It is a divorce wherein the husband cannot take his wife back except with her consent, and after conducting a new marriage contract, and paying new dowry. Forms of irrevocable divorce. There are 4 states of divorce which are attached to irrevocable divorce, as they share the fact of the impermissibility of the husband to return back his wife in marriage without her prior consent, and without a new marriage contract and new mahr. 1. Al-Ibra. This case occurs when the husband divorces the wife in return for him being relieved of any financial post-divorce commitment. 2. Khul. She waives all her rights after getting divorced and return to him the mahr. 3. If the wife obtained a divorce verdict through a judge with a court order, then it is impermissible for the husband to return her back without a new marriage contract. 4. If the wife is divorced before the consummation of marriage, it is impermissible for the husband to return her back except with her consent and with a new marriage contract and a new mahr. Types of irrevocable divorce. Minor irrevocable divorce. This is effected by the husband saying the divorce statement once or twice. He can take back his wife during the iddah, waiting period. But once the iddah, waiting period, is over, it is impermissible to take the wife back without her consent and without a new marriage contract and a new mahr. Major irrevocable divorce. This is effected after the 3rd pronouncement of divorce, after which the wife becomes unlawful for her husband, until she marries another man with the intention of a lasting relationship. Then if she gets a divorce from her second husband or her husband dies, she is allowed to take her first husband back if they agreed on it.
If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.